Lana ababukeli bethu siyabingelela sanibingelela ababukeli bethu emakhaya thina sikhona lapha eMBSDH imdeni la vele this is our organization guys sila ePinari khona la eMpumalanga eMsokwaba mphakathi bafowethu this is our organization bafowethu it's MBSDH bafowethu it's a Christianity hub kahle kahle even if vele ungakhonza mafika la when you get to our organization of course ababukeli bethu emakhaya ngiyalibikelela futhi mina ugama lami vele bafethu ukhuto wakalibiya bafethu camukala Limpopo mara sengikhona khona la ePinari bafethu niyabona nani ngiphethe majita wami vele sesikhona vele ngiphethe uMatsani lapha yana uhumutso Matsani and then we have our guest ukhona la Tovicho bafethu niyabona bafethu special guest yethu bafethu is here right on the center nambona bafethu he will introduce himself guys uzonitshela ukuthi yena ubani uya kuphi and then tina bafethu let me just not forget ukuthi tina sebenza ngani bafethu lana it's a organization for people living with disability you know blind people who are intellectually different conditions guys njengami vele I'm a disabled person. You can't believe some of you guys emakhaya babukeli bethu mina I'm partially sighted, you know, ngadalwa ngayo. I was born like this, so I'm the beneficiary of this organization, you know. So scheme sami ukhona Matsani
ngikhona babukeli emakhaya mina ngimadinga Bibo mara ngathi introduce asho ukuthi ngubani ubuya kuphi ufuna la kule broadcast
nokuthi iexperience yakhe injani since ala vele what did he learn nokuthi ikhamba kanjani bafethu yena vele uzongixoxela guys ukuthi vale lana kunjani this organization iphetheni iskiphani yena vele iexperience yakhe ihamba kanjani bafethu. Thank you very much my guy to have you this afternoon man.
Nginibingelele babukeli emakhaya igama lami umuzi wakhe eBibo Mabuya ngisuka eTV Trust.
Danki.
Ngijole ukuthi ngibe ipresent but namhla ngithobile indoda ethobile ngicolise bafowethu manje ngizophashuka bafowethu ngobe angijwayele ukuthoba bafowethu. Ngijwayele ukuthoba bafowethu ngijole ukuba ipresent so namhla ngiguest bafowethu kungiloko nje
and liyashisa bafethu yanabona nami ngiyazisula guys isa vele it's some bafethu all we need to say guys is to share the experience lana with this organization. You must understand carefully and very well ukuthi this organization skiphani ngayo kahle kahle MBSDH Mpumalanga Blind what Mpumalanga Blind Skills Development Hub. As I said, ukuthi vele it's a Christianity hub also for blind people in Mpumalanga and skills guys. This is especially for blind people, special needs for them. It's a hub.
Yabona le style ngibeke kuso bafowethu siyangishisa bafowethu angikhoni bafowethu ngicela ukuthi nje angathi bafowethu ngomene lenze ngithola
ngiyakuthola njalo
ngoba ngifuna ukuhleka but uyabona ngigest bafowethu angaphawo bafowethu
guest vele
manje angaphawo bafowethu
ngikhaza ukuthi it's free.
It's free.
It's free.
All right. Manje sekukhulekile bafowethu ngokuthi nikhulule bafowethu.
Sina into le ngasijabulisa ukuthi usitshele yona ukuthi uphila kanjani nalabantu bangaboni since wena ubona. Bakuphethe njani into so.
Yebo.
Mfowethu iqale nga-day 1 mfowethu yabo. Day 1 bengitala ngifonele mabhosi alakhaya. Ukuthi ngitonibona and then there is some plan yethu esiphelele ukuthi social documentary yabo. So mina bengitshela ukuthi mangifika lana ngizothola i-office and then na-2 tindlunyana yangithola. So bengacabanga ukuthi kuyinto lengaka so. And mangifika la mphathi bela ngekho kuna uMathembi. Like ngizomangena. Kwaphela yonke le idea lebengayo.
Amangala.
Yeah,
Siyababona labantu
yeah,
bahamba
yeah.
emakheni.
Like even
Hamba
lenza
kahle kahle.
wengitsholo
Yeah.
like mangikhamuka vele mangena ekitini washabalela yonke into and mangena ngaba sekunima incumbi ema-plan uyabo lokhu ukuthi lo one day lo ngicabanga yo
Yakunika i-expansion,
I think mfowethu solunginani like uma ngicabanga yabo so ngathi mangifika kumakethi but no bangitshele ustofile shaspan mfowethu shaspan mfowethu sengamtshela makethi no angeke kulunga because ngite one day mina mangifika lana le ngqondo seyikhulile yangithola yeah
alright simdeni manje as he speaks it's part of family.
Yes
guys.
Se ala kumkhuluma naye mangamtshela ukuthi no ngiyarap cela singibili ekhaya ngicabanga kahle futhi but no you are welcome mfowethu amulcabanga kahle ekhaya and then siyasifonela ukuthi okay wona cabanga njani okay ngathi sifone ku Wednesday ngathi mina no ngicabanga so
Ngiyabonga mna
ngibuye umuntu onibona and ngishare nabo ngibabona nje sibaphila impilo njani so ngasiba ngibuya on Friday is it's Thursday I think so ngibone Wednesday Thursday ngaba sengibuya and then kubuye kwami bengicela ukuthi ngihlale nani yabo mfowethu but ngibe nokuthuka kancane because bukuna bhuti umani ngambelelo teke
Ubheki BK.
like
it's one of our disabled people here guys. It's one of our beneficiaries. Iqiniso leyo vele.
So ngithe mangihleli lapha bheka ukuke isofa and then nikni out there one libonayo yabo bheka kaboni and nguye lo control yonke le ndlela yangithola and then ubheka wa control na even le sofa ukuthi okay kufanele ngene so mfowethu ngihlele lapha
Anohlele lapha.
wow into ngibona ngena mfowethu
Ngithuke kabi.
and then like maselibekile nje mabeka la soyeceleke umuntu yabo uphuse inhliziyo yokuphuma athi wow
ene vele ayenza le nto vele yaphuma.
ndoda so then like yaphile no man ake ngihlale nabantu ngibona ukuthi okay right phile kanjani
and I think I get your point. Apparently you came into realization ukuthi okay kahle it's all about mind.
mfowethu
In mindset, you know, stereotype is something else guys, you know. And le nto le yakufundisa ukuthi inclusivity what's inclusive. That's why bazokutshela ukuthi there's a inclusive education of course guys, and then I appreciate your presence my guy because a lot of people ababukeli emakhaya they don't understand between mainstream and the disabled people you know institutions. How can a blind person go to school or learn? This is where it starts vele. And I can't blame you ukuthi vele you were surprised. You will remember ukuthi abanye bantu they became blind at a early stage. Abanye they were born like that. So imagine if you become blind and then you are old. So it means you will start you know from the bottom. You wouldn't understand ukuthi kahle lana khambani like that one. Nami fethu like as I was born partially sighted, mara vele skela mina vele ngaqala emakhaya yabo. Then when I went to special school, I used to be surprised every time. I was always surprised. How does this thing happen? You know, in fact, you can't believe my first year. In fact, I was sharing my roommates. All of them they were blind people, and I learned from that because you remind me. You know, when you're sharing experience yakho, ukuthi vele. Uyabona ukuthi uBK vele uphethe isofa vele and vele uyaxoxa yena ukuthi hayi lento kumele ihambe so
yes
and he can't see anything, it's load shedding, you know.
Mfethu yabona lengakusho majitami ne like abantu basekazi bantu bangaphandle ngithola la bangakaze bathole ithuba lemina ngilitholile angiyafisa mfethu ukuthi bangasonzela mfethu
nami ngiyafisa
especially like buma Saturday Sunday uyangithola bashaye around bathi bona ukuthi siphila njani communicate kanjani
because it's education.
Because like into ngijabulisa kakhulu lo ukuthi mfowethu like uthi ngibone umuntu like ahamba phezulu induku kusikansi
Oscar.
kusikansi kakhulu
Kusikansi,
yeah even setown kusikansi
Kusikansi, and bakhona.
Namajayele labo magogo nabo in.
yes but bona bakhulile mfowethu uyabo akuthusi kangaka akumangalisi
Akumangalisi, to be
Yeah.
honest, akumangalisi.
Yeah.
Because most people bajwayele other conditions and other disabilities. You know?
and like if ngabake ngami mfowethu or ngipresident or ngiphethe uyangithola ngisethi ikhundleni bengathi mina ngathini like a year or like etu kweminyaka ne like ikolweni boma primary
Yes.
baphuma noma kayi3 ngeminyaka
You're right.
batonibona uyangithola just bathore
Yeah,
uyangithola
as an exhibition.
yeah then bathore babona tilwana no bathore batobona nini mfowethu babona ukuthi nikhona uyangithola niphila njani just bahlale nje babona yonke into
Yeah, just ukuhlala nje.
ebuthi nibaleke kakhulu mnawo
Yeah,
ebaleke kakhulu
you know,
mfowethu
it's education, kahle
Yeah,
kahle, you
yeah.
know. That's where you will realize ukuthi phela la emhlabeni kahle kahle you must explore kahle kahle ungazivali, you know, ungahlali nje like nami ngiyafisa just like every year, just like a financial year plan, the way iphuma ngakhona every year vele bengimele vele at least ihambisane ne budget as an exhibition, you know. And I also want to engage and, you know, challenge departments like social development and children and for women also. And, you know, that department also, most people, they think, oh, maybe it's only social development, it's only social related issues. That social department, very petty, disability, it's disabled people, women and children. As you can see, ukuthi lamalanga vele sikhala nge-GBV vele
mfethu like in short umkhuluma so yabo like ngibonele ngcono ukuthi sinembombela stadium la khaya mfethu sinembombela stadium yeah display so lapha kune like my team mafike bo Kaizer Chiefs Sundowns and Pirates nalawo before bafika because I know ukuthi banokuhlala malanganyana lapha practice like batika isikhathi uyangithola basile pass labo lapha basuke betonibona machine but they understand babona ukuthi exist man noma bakudlala rugby noma bakudlala cricket mfowethu noma ukudlala bafana khona la ebombela basuke nje batonishela around just babona ukuthi niphila njani
interesting
because ni like nivalelekile bathi nikhona
esikhona sivalekile
we understand
interesting as something like imbizo, you know,
uyangithola bahlale nani bashare nani bene ma pictures
you're right.
even a president Ramaphosa angasuwale le tonibona because akayadi life like kulibona straight akhona ukushare nani uyangithola
ngiyathola njalo
share around nje
it should be a priority, you know.
Yeah
So and nathi mfowethu vele we welcomed him with love, you know, guys. Nathi vele siyajabulela lento le aspectile yona yena vele. It's not only from yena ukuthi he's going to learn from us. Nathi vele as, you know, disabled people, we must learn ukuthi vele you know, ordinary people, how do they value us, you know.
Lapho kuthi bengisacela ukubuta something.
Yes boy.
Since we cameraman. Yini le isuke wayibona or le wayicabanga engqondweni yakho ukuthi ube ngicameraman?
Mfethu ngibona lethuba mfethu. Ngikhule ngasi cameraman mfethu. Like bengacabanga ukuthi even one day ntoze ngibe cameraman. So like elokishini like nibe shot nyane elokishini bukune mantwana bo. Already mina bengikhuluma because besengihlala kami. I think it's 2010, yeah, it's 2010. Sure. Busy ngema movie, bashuta ngema phone yabo.
Okay.
Yeah, so but no man, ake sithole umuntu lomtsala, lo khona usimanage. Lo khona uyangithola bo. So bacabanga mina lamantwana, uyabo.
Yeah.
So bacabanga mina bafika esathini ngoba njani, uyabo. Ngavuma na what know what like umuntu lo lula uyangithola.
Yeah.
Losinza tinto mfowethu.
And by the way, you are opportunistic, by the way.
Uyabona?
Yeah.
Must no okay is fine. Kuma ngilo mfowethu. From lapho ngagijima nalento and then the way into ngisenza ngakhona but angizange ngene ku digital. Ngangene to acting. Uma ngifike bangita script okay right. Nga-actor futhi manje lapho le script bengibabe. Bengiliphoyisa kahle kahle. So nginemntwana lo umfana uyafunza.
Oh, you had a script. Yeah.
Ngafika script ngashaya.
Interesting.
So from lapho ngaqala manje ukuthi okay right singifunza le camera. From lapho ngagijima naye and then ngaba nenhlanhla because lapho vele into besingithanza yabo
Yeah.
hayi nabo theater bombela theater kunebo sikhaleni ngesikhathi late I think
Sure.
it's 2013 yeah from lapho vele ngigijima 19 today
Gijima nayo vele, and then you developed a passion, you
Yeah.
developed interest. Yeah, that's how it works vele. You remind me of another guy in Polokwane. He started, you know, as a cameraman, you know, in town. You see these guys in town whereby they will volunteer to have a picture. So this guy apparently, as I'm saying, he was recruited.
Yeah.
You know, now he's working in a, you know, in some photography,
Yes.
you know, shop
Yeah.
in town. You know, now he's able to travel. He's traveling everywhere. They are shooting weddings. Man, that guy. Istori sakhe mfethu sibhlungu.
yeah like utela kancane
Kancane.
and ubhlungu ne ukuthi lento ngoba sengenile ne I guess we nje equipment for equipment
Yeah.
studio ne
Yeah.
yeah to even camera tour yabo camera sometimes ngothola le good ngawuma 12,000 13,000 they one
Ye-one.
ngaphandle
Cabanga.
memory card ngaphandle kwelelona bathini stand
Stand.
camera yedwa
ngaphandle.
mfowethu
Yedwa kuphela.
cabanga uma usuphelele ngayo ngene ufuna ukhipha ubida buma 50,000 60,000 uyabo and ukuthi uyithole is not easy
And it's not
unehereze
easy.
mfowethu
Ngoba nawe wayibona ukuthi isystem injani, economy yethu mfethu, wabona umnotho mfethu ukuthi wemi kanjani mfethu, like yeah, it's really hard, man, to be honest. You know, not everyone can dwell in that path. Not everyone can do that thing, my man. And then I want to encourage people like you. Ngiyababona nami emakasi mfethu bayapusha i-content kahle ibalekile. Guys, let us push. Let us mfethu value content and push content, guys. Everything it's a content, guys.
Yeah.
Unlike back in the days, you know.
yo mfowethu
Imali bekhona
no imali
singayiboni.
bekhona mfowethu ngoba lapho besidlala mabulu besidlala like wonke lo mdlalo lo nje lo uyabona yeah the spin besidlala uyabona and then umkhuluma songikhumbula like khula kwami ne imatha mina bengangithengeni
Yeah.
mina bengithengela
Wasithengela utshani.
yeah because
Cosmetics.
yeah
Whatsoever.
mangidlala spin like mfowethu ngilanga mechipin bo 350 ngibona
Yeah.
yeah
Yeah,
yabo ngaphandle ukuthi umuntu uhamba ukanga utshontsha
Right, uqinisile budama uqinisile. Kufana nami vele, I don't remember when last did my parents buy me something. I don't even remember things like roll on impahla, like I can't even remember when last did they buy for me.
uyibona
I used to provide for myself. Because maybe ngithalipile or njani vele. Yeah.
Ufundzisa,
I just independent mina vele. I've always wanted to be independent.
bafethu tomorrow is Valentine's Day 14 February kuthini kini machida sendani bafethu tomorrow bafethu kuba mina nginazinto bafethu
You know, my brother.
anginazinto bafethu
neyindaba ye-Valentine ebhuti wami kusasa akahle kathi zovela sibone
asovele sibone whatever manje
Noma kanjani.
noma kaba yini
Noma kaba yini.
kubonakala bafethu
Because it is what it is. Because you know, Valentine's it means a lot, guys. Not only for ama couple, you know. I-concept yayo vele ene history yayo lento vele mangathi uyalandelela vele uzobona ukuthi it's bigger, it's bigger than a relationship. You know.
ingenhla
And mfethu uthando mfethu libalekile. Mfethu love is it's life, it's a value. You know, there's no life without love. I mean,
ayamagama ukuthi noma singanazinto tomorrow but kuhlala kwethu sishare uyangithola sifudzisane umuntu obaleka ngithanda mfowethu
also and I mean i-Valentine
cabanga nje kusasa bangakubana bohetiwe kusasa umuntu mara umuntu wakho mfowethu mara kushona nzambama la kusasa senhlukene lo muntu
yebo
ngala makholi sangena ufonela ngibani
amakholi sangena ufuna ubani
ngala nomunye asisho ukuthi bani bashaye bafowethu ngala munye kuningi man
kuningi mfethu kuningi bro wami and yazi kahle mina specifically for yona le Valentine I have something nami to share with the public mfethu ababukeli bethu emakhaya mina the way ngithola ngakhona hayi ukuthi ngcono or mhlaniphile yabona love is more than it's more than you know anything else you can think of, because love involves respect, how we treat each other.